Hi friends, Neeraj here. In this video, we are unboxing and review Samsung Level U, so let's get started. Let's unpack it and see what we get. This is Samsung Level U box, typical in white color. There are some highlight features given on the box. Samsung Level U branding. Some more details about the product. It's made in Vietnam. Let's unbox it. User manual which no one reads. Some extra ear tips. Quality is really nice. On-off switch. Clear voice quality with 2 built-in microphones. It delivers accurate and clear sound reproduction for voice calls. Enjoy crystal clear call quality to noise and echo reducing and RNEC technology. Magnetic ear tips make it easier for you to keep your headset looking tidy, even when it is not in use. Rubber ring for wire organizing. Easy access controls, built-in volume, forward, back and play pause buttons without the need to take out your paired device. Raised button design allows you to access functions with incredible ease, even when micro USB connector. It provides up to 10 hours of music playback, 11 hours of voice calls and 500 hours of standby time. Hand-type design offers you exceptional wearing comfort. Customized fit, compatible with your neck size. It's ergonomically designed hybrid type. Thanks for watching full video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more new tech videos.